Well, here's a simple Python code. And can you find the correct output of this code? As you can see, we have a list here and we have created a temporary variable t which is equal to the list. And here we are trying to do slicing. So the correct output of this code is 10, 0, 0 and 40. If you don't understand this, let me explain you. So this was our list and here we have created the temporary variable which is assigned this value. And now in the list, we are trying to change 1 to 3. So this is 0, this is 1, 2 and 3. That means we are replacing this much part with this. So the list will become 10, 0, 0 and then 40. And now you should be careful here because when we are trying to print t, it is assigned as L. So whatever changes you make in the L, it's going to be reflected in t as well. That means this list is also equal to t, which explains our output.